आई एम सुष्मिता, इफ यू डोंट नो मी देन सो जैसे आपने पढ़ के देख लिया होगा कि आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट शीइन अल्टरनेटिव्स और ये कैटेगरी है ज्वेलरी. एंड सो व्हाट आई थॉट इज कि आई मेड दिस लुक. आई होप यू विल लाइक इट. सो मैंने ये करा so that you know to give us something extraordinary kind of or a creative one. So this is what I did. So if you like this look of mine, please let me know in the comment section below. And let's start with the Shein alternatives and you know why I chose jewelry first. Because you know if you wear something dull or you know like you know used to wear a black sari or a black t-shirt and jeans, then if a gold you know statement necklace or a golden or imitation one, you can say gold statement necklace and you know earring and whatever you can add as a statement, and it will look like a bomb.com. So it will be like amazing. So that's why I chose jewelry first, and I have been a big jewelry freak. I have a huge collection, but unfortunately I won't be able to show it because it's in my you know Pune, like where is my PG is. So basically मैं अभी घर पे हूँ in तालचेर. जिसने आपने नहीं देखा होगा कि रिटर्न टू तालचेर वाला वीडियोस, I will link that as well in the description. So without any, let's start. So the first website I would be talking about is Ever Stylish. Guys, you can just need to check it out. I will definitely post the pictures here or there, and I'll share the video as well. I have gone through the website and as well as Instagram account, so you can definitely check that. You need to check it. Like the starting price of the jewelry is 49 rupees, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 49 rupees. Can you just imagine? And जैसे बहुत सारे Instagram websites है, not website, pages है who sells oxidized jewelry and all. यहाँ पे भी है, ठीक है. And that too there was a beautiful jewelry, if I'm not wrong. There's a sun as a stud and there are pearl danglers. Okay, that what I asked to a Instagram page, they were like it's 500 rupees and all like that. Okay, plus shipping. But guys, I found out in this Ever Stylish, it was, I'll definitely try to find the picture of that earring I'm talking about, and it is only 349 rupees. It's like amazing, a beautiful statement earring. And but the one demerit I found out is like in Ever Stylish उसमें ज़्यादा neck pieces अच्छे नहीं हैं, like kind of, but earrings in an affordable price, thumbs up. Amazing collection of earrings. So the next website, the jewelry, the what do you say, the quality is up par, I mean amazing. इतना अच्छा है कि like I'm not at all getting a proper word to describe how beautiful, and all the products are in this company is made up of brass. So any guesses? Because I know that it is not that unknown. Sorry. So I'm talking about Beatnik. Okay, I'll insert the pictures and the screen. I'll share my screen where I've recorded the website and as well as the Instagram page, so you can definitely check that here or there. I will be posting or in front on the main screen as well. So guys, इसपे क्या है कि ये fully क्योंकि हम लोग जैसे कॉस्मेटिक्स लेते हैं तो वी यूज टू प्रेफर समथिंग कि जो हमारे स्किन के लिए अच्छा हो, नॉट लाइक कि चीप प्रोडक्ट्स उठाओ एंड यूज इट लाइक एनीथिंग. नो, राइट? सो एग्जैक्टली बी बिटनिक के भी कुछ ड्यूब्स हैं. ड्यूब्स नहीं बोलो, लोग जो नो पॉपुलर होते हैं वही एवरी साइज सेल्स, राइट? सो व्हाट द थिंग इज कि इनका यूएसपी ये है कि दे यूज टू सेल लाइक जो मेटल ये यूज करते हैं, ब्रास यूज करते हैं, और कॉपर, नॉट कॉपर एग्जैक्टली, सिल्वर यूज करते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट द मेटल, सिल्वर मेटल. ओके, सो इट इज लाइक अमेजिंग एंड दैट वोंट इरिटेट योर स्किन एट ऑल. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उसको यूज करके, एंड उसके कलेक्शंस बहुत अच्छे हैं, एंड वो जल्दी से जल्दी ऐसे ही स्टॉक आउट हो जाता है. सो अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली रश after seeing this video. Okay. So so the next I would like to talk about is Mapra collection or jewelry, like Mapra jewelry or Mapra collection. Oh my freaking god, it's like amazing, guys, amazing. When I'm saying it amazing, trust me, it is like bomb.com, because the collections and the neck pieces, the bracelets, the anklets, the earring sets, oh my god, it's like so affordable and amazing trendy pieces. Like I have never ever thought that there will be a a website where such trendy pieces would be like in so cheap price, and that was just like local for vocal. That's the thing. It's an Indian brand, what I'm talking about. So you can definitely check that out, and you can promote them as well, like I am doing, because this is not at all a paid promotion, because मेरे 300 ही subscribers है, so I'm not gonna get anything out of it. So please, genuinely I'm saying it is amazing. Please to check that, and आपको really अच्छा लगेगा. You can see the screen, my screen. You will be getting the pictures. I love that. I have already placed an order for this like amazing collections. So the next I would like to say about is Just Peachy. It's a Myntra brand. Okay, these are amazing. So Sarsaparaz is the next brand. I will talking about two brands at a time, that is Just Peachy and Sarsaparaz. These two brands are, oh my god, like amazing, like bomb. So there was a statement neck pieces as well, and statement earrings are wow, but still my heart is with Mapra collection. Oh my god. So yeah, and Sarsaparaz have very good collection. You can definitely check that out. And even Shein के भी कुछ jewelries 200, 400, 300 cross कर लेते हैं, right? I have purchased. I was as I said before as well, I was a Shein freak. I loved Shein, but I know it's like China brand, so I need to avoid, but deep inside it's like okay, I need to accept it. So अगर आपको लग रहा है मैं बहुत ड्रामा कर रही हूँ, but I am like this. मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. I'm not doing anything extra to attract your attention to. No. So yeah. And मैं कल ऐसे इंस्टा स्क्रॉल कर रही थी, then I get to know about one more brand, that is Tijori. Yes, and it has amazing collections, and it has very beautiful golden collection, golden statement necklaces, neck earrings. And I just forgot to tell you one thing, that Be Bitnik is also going to have also introduced golden neck pieces like that, because they used to go for only brass metals or like white metal or silver oxidized jewelry, but now they have already started what do you say, golden series as well. So do check that out. That's amazing. So the next I would be saying is Jewel Maze. Jewel Maze. Yes, it is also amazing. And whatever I will be talking about any brand, I will be definitely posting the picture here or here. I will be sharing my screen record of their Instagram account and their website as well. Sorry. So the next is Jewel Maze, and it has also a beautiful collection of jewelry. I will not say that whatever I am saying, whatever the brands I'm telling you as similar to Shein, no, but maybe there are some better and some like trendy pieces which you can go for, like really like you can, that can help you to get Shein collection, like that kind of collection these brands have. So you can definitely check that out. And I would be saying that Joker and Witch, that is expensive, like really expensive, but the jewelry quality is amazing. Jewelry is amazing, but the price point is like a kind of higher. So yeah, and I would definitely tell you that you can go to Myntra, because Myntra में जब सेल लगती है ना, and वहाँ पे एक brand, if I'm not I have not actually jot down that is Voila Indica, yeah, something Indica. I will definitely post the name here. So here exactly here, so you can check that as well. I love their earring collections, guys. Earring collections are awesome, so you can definitely check that as well. You will be loving it. You will love it like anything. This is so beautiful. So yes, so I would say, like, Ever Stylish, Be Bitnik, Mapra collection, Just Peachy, Sassfaras, then Tijori and Jewel Maze is amazing. Like, all love for them. It's like amazing. I just love my most favorite is Be Bitnik. I have already purchased them. If I'll check if I have a coupon code for that, so I will definitely share with you, so that you can have a 10%, I guess 10%, yes, 10% off, so you can save some money. So but my heart is with Mapra collection, guys. Go and check this out, because abhi ye video khatam hone wali hai, so you can definitely go and check this out. And Sassfaras and Just Peachy are something like 300, it's like 300 to 400 will get a very good deals, and Joker, which is like very expensive. So yeah, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you like this video. And if you find this informative, please let me know in the comment section below, and just tell me which is your favorite brand and you have gone through this website. I would really appreciate, and I would love to know that. And thank you so much for showering so much of love and support. Love you. Bye bye.